suggests that he only considers people he considers shareholders. Honorable Speaker, on the 2 occasions that the Deputy President came to Gusiland, on the first occasion while addressing leaders, he told us that the reason why, as Kisses, we should not demand for more things from the government is because we always vote for Mutu wa kitendawili, to quote him. On the second occasion, the Honorable Deputy President told us that siku hizi wa Kisii tumejaa jela kushinda wa Kikuyu. I'm wondering, Honorable Speaker, when did he do the statistics to note that sisi kama wa Kisii, we are the most criminals in this country? And Honorable Speaker, as I finish, I just want to remind the Deputy President. Yesterday, he spent a lot of time reminding us that he is an orphan. And yet he forgot that there is one orphan that the Deputy President kept saying that he has put for him mitego in State House. The Honorable Deputy President forgets that even the Right Honorable Raila Odinga is an orphan. Why did he forget that he was putting for him mitego? I just want to tell the Deputy President that because of the utterances that you make against people of Kenya, you must go, and you will go home. I thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I arise to support this motion strongly. Mr. Speaker, this country has once suffered tribal clashes. Mr. Speaker, the Deputy President has been always talking about Central Kenya, Mlima, etc., etc. Mr. Speaker, whipping up the tribal feelings. Mr. Speaker, if we allow the Deputy President to continue holding that particular position in the country, Mr. Speaker, what will happen in this country is that most of these other tribes will feel domination of this particular community, will feel intimidation by this community, and they will rise up, gang up against the community of Central Kenya, not because they are liking it, but because of his sentiments and because of what he speaks. Mr. Speaker, this person has been in office for 2 years, but he appears not to have had the conscience to know the kind of office he's holding, and that's why he speaks the way he speaks of regions. Mr. Speaker, I wonder how.
Order, honorable members, order.
I wonder how a person holding that kind of office can keep on talking of kuweka miteko State House for people who did not vote for this government, not to enter, not to access. Mr. Speaker, because of kuweka miteko kila mahali kwa kona State House has affected some of us when he was still very active in State House, blocking us from accessing State House. Mr. Speaker, the whole issue of shares, I want